The 3 shortest men in the world. Number 3. June Ray Ballowing. June Ray Ballowing, born in Philippines in 1993 and passed away in 2020. June Ray Ballowing is the shortest man in the world. He stands at just 23.6 inch tall. Number 2. Gul Muhammad. Gul Muhammad, born in 1957 and passed away in 1997. He stood at a mere 22.4 inch tall and also suffered from achondroplasia. His life was filled with challenges, but he managed to earn his living by working as a carnival artist. Before revealing the number 1, remember to subscribe and like the video. Number 1. Chandra Bahadur Dongi. Chandra Bahadur Dongi, hailing from Nepal. Chandra Bahadur Dongi, born in 1939 and passed away in 2015, was recognized as the shortest man in the world. He's registered in the Guinness World Records as the shortest man ever, measuring only 21.5 inch tall. Despite his small stature, he managed to garner international attention and traveled the world, becoming a celebrity. How about you? How tall are you? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe.